All right, so to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, your regime and your cabinet does not need to be in that country anymore because everything about your government is lying, fraudulent. They take advantage of the people, manipulate just to make money. Now,
tí ẹ ò ní rí ní Nàìjíríà, kò sí ohun tí ẹ ní gbọ́. Mo kí wá wọ ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa tí máa bọ̀ wẹ́ tí wá wo eléyìí o, ìyàlẹ́nu ló jẹ́ o. Báwo lè ṣé wọ́n rán yín ni kẹ́ fún àwọn èèyàn ní kẹ́ sọ pé ẹ ń fún àwọn èèyàn ní scholarship. Ẹ wá kó àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ lọ dà sínú Morocco, ẹ wá fìyà ń jẹ wọ́n. Minister of Education. Aláùsá, kí ló dé? Bàbá Tinubu. Àwọn ọlọ́mọ nìyẹn tó wà stranded ní Morocco, ẹ gbàgbé wọn síbẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́ promise wọn pa máa fún wọn ní $500 every month. Àwọn ọmọ òrò ń jẹjẹ ìkan ti kú lára wọn. Ẹ wò kan lára wọn tó l'accident. Ó dẹni tó dá lábọ̀ ara. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin people Ọlọ́run ní dáríjì yín o. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ very dark man tó lọ sí Morocco fún bọ́ọ̀ tó ń gbá lọ́wọ́ ní Morocco. Òun ló fi ṣalábàápàdé àwọn ará ibi yìí tó fi gbóhùn síta. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wá jókòó, ẹ wá wo, ẹ wá gbọ́, ẹ wá wọn tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo lórí alábàáhùn. Ẹ̀yin lè ní ẹ̀yin ní lánàá bí ẹ kú àkọ́kọ́ jẹ́. Ìjọba Tinubu kí ló dé? Ìnílára ti pọ̀ jù, ṣé dídán ni? A máa bẹ̀yìn lórí nǹkan wa, nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan wa tẹ́ ní ẹ̀tọ́ sí, a ti máa jìyà lé lórí, a máa bẹ̀yìn ní ká tó lásẹ̀sì. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wá wo, ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ gbọ́ nǹkan tí Mewolaka ohun tó náà sọ. Òun náà sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Mewolaka òun náà sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ wá fetí sílẹ̀, ẹ tẹ́tí sílẹ̀ kí ẹ wá gbọ́, kí ẹ bá wa wò ó. Bó ṣe máa ń dáná, bó ṣe ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní o. Ìyá wa Àbíkẹ́ Dábírí, ọmọ yín wà ní Morocco. Bàbá Tinubu, ọmọ yín wà ní Morocco. Aláùsá, ọmọ yín wà ní Morocco. Ẹ lọ kó wọn wálé o. Ẹ lọ káwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wálé, ìyà tó ń jẹ ìtító o. Wọ́n máa ń tọrọ jẹ ní Morocco ni o. Wọ́n máa ń tọrọ bárà. Ní Morocco kan tó jẹun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò.
all right, so to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, your regime and your cabinet does not need to be in that country anymore because everything about your government is lying, fraudulent. They take advantage of the people, manipulate just to make money. Now, these people behind me, I met them in Morocco. That same hotel where I went and I saw Sheyi Tinubu's picture. I don't know how you leave Nigeria, can't do campaign for Morocco. That's the same place I met these people. And they came to beg me. And I asked him what happened. This guy was given scholarship by the Nigerian government to come and study medicine. What year? Yeah, what year now? He's in his final year. He was given scholarship to come and study medicine so that he will become a doctor, go back to Nigeria and work in our healthcare. But sadly, after they gave him the scholarship, they abandoned him here in Morocco. Alongside everybody that is here, they've been abandoned in Morocco. Now, the sad part is that as they abandoned them, they are not even allowed to work because of the agreement, right? Yes. They had an agreement with the Moroccan government while they were giving them scholarship that they are not allowed to work. So these people are pretty much stranded. You, how long have you been here?
I've been here for 5 years.
This guy been here for 5 years. You, how many?
2 years.
2 years. You?
3 years.
You?
4 years.
You?
2 years.
Now, this guy, how did you come to Morocco? Did you come like this?
I came with my both legs walking.
What happened to your legs?
Because I did not have means of survival, I just had to find something doing. On my way coming back, I had an accident which led to me breaking my thigh bone, and I could not pay for any of my medical bills. Even till now, I've not paid due to the issue of we not having money to survive in this country.
So, as you heard him, he's not even allowed to work, but because of the predicament that the Nigerian government put him through, he had to sneak to start working. And while he was coming back from work, he had an accident that led to him breaking his leg. And you also told me something about another student that died. What happened to him?
This is a student that was suffering from tuberculosis, but because he was not having money, he could not go to the hospital. So he was afraid the hospital bills were too much. So he kept it to himself, and the illness kept complicating. And before he knew it, it became what do you call it?
Complicated.
It became complicated. It was tuberculosis. And here in Morocco, we even have free medication for tuberculosis. He didn't know before he knew it. His mother had to fly in to come because it was complicated. And at the end of the day, he died. He didn't get any medical assistance.
So, according to him, he's saying that the guy was scared to go to the hospital because, of course, he didn't have any money. And how do you go to the hospital without having any money? So he kept it to himself, and that illness was tuberculosis, and then it led to his death. Now, when the government gave you this scholarship, didn't they tell you that they are going to be giving you some amount of money every month?
Yes, they promised us that.
How much did they promise you people? $500 every month.
Yes. The award letter given to us, the yellow one.
Now, this is the award letter from the Federal Ministry of Education, September 1st, 2025. To the Minister of Education, what's his name? Tunji Alausa,
Yes.
Minister of Education. If these people were given scholarship with a promise, and who booked your flights for you to come here?
The federal government.
So the Nigerian government booked their flights. I believe that there's a budget for this, and the budget has been given to you, sir. So whatever thing you have done with this money that is making these people not to get the money and leave them stranded on the street of Morocco, sir, you need to correct that. And this is my problem. If I talk now, they'll say I am being sponsored by another political party to attack APC. I'm not all about that. Do you understand? What is right is right. How do you carry people's children with promises? Everybody in Nigeria now will think these people are doing well and taking care of them, not knowing that these people are jumping from different places every night to look for where to sleep. And in everything, they cannot work. In everything, they cannot work. Meanwhile, Sheikh Tinubu, now you carry your picture come put for here they do campaign. I walked around this country, I did not see any politician's picture, but your own picture dey for inside one place. Not just that, yesterday now they see say wetin the name of this girl, say you give her 100 million naira. That 100 million you gave to the girl. Well, I'm not trying to talk about that. Where did you get 100 million naira from? We'll talk about that one later. But that 100 million, if they put it in their welfare, these children will not be here suffering. This one now leg no good. He needs to go to operation. And you abandon them here.
And also, sir, they always threaten that when we go out to the media crying for our money, they always tell us that we are disgracing the nation. And we always ask ourselves, what is more disgraceful than
passing through here.
coming to embarrass someone holding a Nigerian
Especially
passport?
girls.
Last 2 months,
Evicting
my
us out
landlord
of the
told
house.
me that. Last 2 months, I was talking with my landlord. He told me that Nigeria is the richest country in Africa, but Nigeria cannot be able to assist their scholars. A country like Niger, the Niger guys lodging in his apartment are not owing him any amount of money. But I have some colleagues Nigerian that are owing him for more than 12 months house rent. He's telling me that he will send them out of his house after this month. I don't even know when I left, because I left my city to come here to work. I left my exams, I left my school, my studies. I'm having exams next week, but I left all that to come here to work as a volunteer in this AFCON matter.
Because you want to earn money.
And also
Because I want to earn to survive here. I cannot live here. My father is dead.
And most especially before they give you apartment here, they ask which country. When they hear you're from Nigeria, they know Nigeria don't pay. They won't want to give you
My landlord told
apartment.
me that he will send that guys out of that house. I should go and find other people to squat because I cannot live alone. I cannot pay for the complete apartment. He said I shouldn't find any Nigerian because he will not allow any Nigerian
To stay inside the
living in his
apartment.
we also have a video. We also have a recorded video where a Moroccan
Calm down.
woman came to protest with the Nigerian students, calling out the minister to please pay those students so that they can pay her.
I'll
If
put the
not,
video.
yeah, I sent
You give me the
I
video.
sent it.
Yes, sir. We can't even go to hospitals. I'm a nursing student here. I can't go to the hospital because of transport and everything. Today I'm supposed to go to the hospital. I can't go.
Don't cry.
I can't go because I don't have money. I don't have money. Look at my mates. They are all there. We can't go. We are here stranded. No money for transport. No money to buy things for the hospital. And the government, please, people should come to our aid. Please. We are begging.
Don't worry. To the Minister of Education, like I said, I believe the budget has been given to you. Honestly, this year I told myself that there will be no reason for me to go and be protesting. But if you have been given an office to do what is needed and you don't do it, it's best you go and close your office. Because next thing now, if I come back now, carry protest go now, they'll say, yeah, they don't sponsor us. We go lock the Federal Ministry of Education. If you cannot leave our Nigerians here, these are our siblings. They are sent here to come and study and take care of, make our country a better place. What is the meaning of all of this?
We have one last
So many
experience.
students have been expelled.
Wait. We have one last experience. We have a scholar recently. His name is Umar in Niknes. So Umar had an emergency. He had appendicitis. For the appendectomy, the hospital said they were not going to treat him until the Nigerian embassy had to borrow him. They borrowed him money. That amounting to $1,000. Where's Umar going to get that money? So right now it means that even Umar recently lost one of his parents. Umar cannot afford anything. So we had to solicit for the embassy that night to go and pay $1,000 before he could get operated. If not, we would have lost Umar. That's how bad the situation is here.
Very bad.
Well, I believe you people have heard their experience, and we'll leave it. We'll send a message because I believe they'll see the video. But this generation now, me, I know the waiting government supposed to do, they must do them. We are not begging, it's not a favor. They brought you here for a reason. It is your right. It's not beg, it is your right. It is your right. That money is your right. Yes. Nigerian money is all our right. It's not a favor they are doing to anybody. It's not a favor. It's our right. So the Minister of Education is their right. You sent them here. Don't abandon them here. Pay their fees. Pay them the money you are supposed to give them every month. And you take care of this man and make sure his leg is okay. Person where don't cry, don't go. And he's sad. His blood will be on your head. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you, the Minister of Education, and everybody that is in power today.
Please help.
Don't beg them. Why are you telling me what is please? It's your right. What are you begging for? It's your right. They should come and pay. What is please? What is please? Please come and help us. Please come and help us for what? You know how many things you have in Nigeria?
That black man shared a post and saying, and I cried. Why it's here in APC? Why then she buy? Why? Minister for Education, Alawusa. Ejo, can somebody just send the video to him and tell him to watch that video? I want Motel send lọ sí Morocco in the name of scholarship. We all know that kan tó lè fún ọmọ ní scholarship kó lọ kàwé ní any country outside Nigeria. Ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ láti were exceptionally brilliant. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa. Wọn kì í fún non-entity ní scholarship. Ẹ lọ wo àwọn ọmọ yẹn. They are between the age of 20 to 23. They are there, stranded. Ìkan ti kú nítorí wípé ó ní TB, tuberculosis, kò ní owó tó fi máa lọ sí hospital, kò dẹ̀ fẹ́ kán deport òun padà wá sí Nigeria. I'm saying this because of my Yoruba audience. Tí wọn lè gbọ́, tí nǹkan tí Very Dark Man sọ lè má yé dáadáa. Nítorí common man tó ń ta ata, tó ń ta irú. Mo fẹ́ kó yé yín dáadáa. Ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ kú, òkú ẹ̀ náà lọ gbé báyìí ẹ̀. Ìkan wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn, ó wà on crutches. Mi rò wípé ẹsẹ̀ tó fi hàn yẹn lè balance mọ́ láyé. He had an accident. Nítorí wípé ó fẹ́ lọ wá iṣẹ́ ṣe kí àwọn lè fi jẹun. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fi lẹ́tà tí Ministry of Education fi lé wọn lọ́wọ́ nígbà tó ń win ní scholarship yẹn signed by Minister of Education. Wípé wọ́n máa fún wọn ní $500 per month for feeding and accommodation. Látìgbà tán ti wá débẹ̀, wọn fún wọn lówó. Wọ́n ní gbogbo Morocco ló mọ̀ wọ́n. Wípé àwọn ò kì í sanwó ilé. Àwọn òrùn jẹjẹ. So they are always begging. Wọ́n tún beg báyìí ní Very Dark Black Man fi rí wọn. Ẹ dẹ̀ wá ń bí ẹ̀yin APC. The only thing you are busy doing is playing politics. We are not saying you should not play politics. You guys are politicians. It's part of your this thing. But at our detriment. Nani wa, the only thing that ṣe báyìí. Mo ti sọ tipẹ́tipẹ́ pé tó bá kù díẹ̀ kí 2027 dé. Nǹkan á dédé cheap, gbogbo nǹkan á dédé rọrùn. Torí pé wọ́n mọ̀ wípé alájẹgbàgbé làwọn èèyàn mi. Ẹ ṣí bọ́dà báyìí. Oúnjẹ pọ̀ yanturu. àwọn èèyàn ẹ ti blindfold wọn pẹ̀lú oúnjẹ. That's the only achievement tá a lè celebrate. Gbogbo ìlú, gbogbo African country wọ́n gbára wọn lọ́wọ́ western influence. Ìgbà yẹn lẹ́yìn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ gbé wa lé Trump lọ́wọ́ because of your failure, nítorí pé ẹ fail fún insecure láti protect wa. Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ wa lọ tà wá fún US, lẹ́ṣẹ̀ sọ pé billions kan náà fi ju àdó olóró kan. Èyí tẹ́ fi wá máa tọ́jú aráàlú, tẹ́ fi máa ṣe dáadáa, kì í ṣe educational sector nìkan lẹ ti fail o. Health ńkọ́, gbogbo doctors ti jápa. Security zero. Pẹ̀nkẹ́lẹ́ Mẹ́ǹsì Adédùbú, iná wa ò tẹ láti December sí January ló tiẹ̀ worst jù nínú history of Nigeria. Kí la wá ní yín fún? Ojú ọ̀nà rèé, ẹ lọ wo Lọ́kọ́jà, wọn lè kọjá nítorí ọ̀nà tí ò dáa. Gbogbo achievement yín propaganda ni. Ojú ọ̀nà wa kò tiẹ̀ ṣe é rìn nígbà tójú ọ̀nà ò dáa. Báwo ni kidnappers ò ṣe ní gbèyàn? Ẹ tún wo àwọn ògo ọ̀la wa, àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ máa ń kó síwájú, tẹ́ ẹ máa ní kán lọ dìbò, tẹ́ ẹ máa ń sọ wípé kán lọ campaign. They are stranded in Morocco. Tí Morocco nìkan la rí. What about other countries? Tẹ́ ẹ rán àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ lọ. Àwọn ọmọ tí yín dẹ̀ ń to convoy. Wọ́n ṣe party. Wọ́n mention billions. But you are busy. The only thing tẹ́ wá ṣe ni pé lára àwọn youth tẹ́bi ń pa yìí náà, lára àwọn alápámáṣiṣẹ́ yìí náà lẹ fún ní peanut. Tán wá ń lo Facebook page wọn láti máa kọrin wípé ẹ̀ ń ṣe dáadáa, pé kán máa hype yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí la gbà lọ́wọ́ yín gan? Ọlọ́run ló máa bá wa ṣẹ́gun Abacha lọ́jọ́ sí. Ṣé ká bẹ Ọlọ́run tì yín ni? Ẹni tá a bá lè mú Ọlọ́run la máa ń fi lé. Ọlọ́run máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ Nàìjíríà ju géèmù tẹ́ ẹ fi wá play rí lọ. Ẹ rántí bọ́lọ́run bó ṣe bá wa ṣẹ́gun Ebola. Ẹ rántí Abacha. Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ẹ̀kan láròjinlẹ̀ ni, ọ̀lẹ ni wá, alágbára. Ọlọ́run nìkan lọ́ba lórí Nàìjíríà. Ẹni bá a ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí báyìí, àwọn ajá yín tẹ́ ti fún ní peanut báyìí, wọ́n á tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n á máa bú wa. Ẹbí wọn dẹ̀ kọ́, ebi ló ń pa wọ́n, ẹ ti fún wọn ní nǹkan tí wọ́n fi lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ, àwọn ọmọ tí yín kọ́ńbó náà wà. Wọ́n lo convoy káàkiri, wọ́n wà lúlùú òyìnbó. Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ibi ń paráàlú. The only state tó tún dáa, I don't know, don't let me say the only state, ní Southwest tèmi tún ṣì mọ̀. Torí àwọn oníkálukú ló mọ ìlú tiwọn. But ní state tèmi tó tún dáa, tá a ti ń gbádùn ìjọba, ẹ ti lọ domi àlàáfíà ẹbẹ̀rù. Ọ̀ṣun state, jẹ́ kí gómìnà Adeleke nísinmi. Ẹ ti dábẹ̀rù àtàwà own detriment. Nítorí pé ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ impose ara yín lé ará ìlú lórí. Kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe wípé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ wá ṣe dáadáa. Kò jẹ́ onírè ò ṣe. Nítorí àti wá ṣe wá bàṣàbàṣà káwọn ẹbí yín là kan lówó lọ́wọ́, kò kàn yín. Bámúbámú lẹ yó, mọ̀ bóyá ebi ń pọ̀ ọmọ ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan. Kò sí ní tá a lè ṣe. Bá a gbé placard nísìnyí, bá a ní ká protest, ẹ pa wá náà ni, ẹ arrest wa náà ni. Bá a sọ̀rọ̀ jù gan, ẹ lè jí wa gbé, kẹ́ ní kidnappers ló jí wa gbé. So a ti ṣẹnu wa ní gbọ́lágún. Ṣùgbọ́n bóyá kẹ́ ẹ ro nǹkan kan, kẹ́ ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Tẹ́ ẹ bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ Nàìjíríà, tí Nàìjíríà bá gbóhùn sókè sí Ọlọ́run, Ọlọ́run tó bá wá ṣẹ́gun àwọn aṣíwájú ọjọ́ sí tí wọ́n dà wá láàmú, ó wà lókè o, kò tí ì fiṣẹ́lẹ̀, tàbí kẹ́ ẹ ṣàtúnṣe. Like very dark black man said, we are not begging you. It is our right. Yes, if you call us pé our entitled, yes, owó ìlú ni, àlùmọ́nì ìlú ni. Wọ́n fi yín síbẹ̀ láti ná fún wa ni, kì í ṣowó bàbá yín, kì í ṣowó ẹbí yín. So it is our right. Ẹ dá wa lóhùn tàbí kọ́lọ́run kó gbèjà wa. Ire o.
Mẹ́wòó láká kò ní bàjẹ́ fún ẹ ìyá mi. Ẹnu ẹ ò ní kan. Ṣé rí wọn? Ohun tá à ń fojú rí nìyẹn o. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ tá máa gbà yín lọ́wọ́ kú, ẹ máa búyàn, ẹ máa comment, wọ́n máa búyàn. Òun lẹ́wọ̀ ara ọ̀dọ́ yín náà, gbogbo wọn ọ̀dọ́ ni wọ́n. Ṣé gbọ́ ọmọ obìnrin yẹn? ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tóun náà sọ ọ̀dọ́ yín nìwọ̀nyẹn o ọjọ́ ọ̀la yín ó kù díẹ̀ ń sè é máa sá tẹ̀lé wọn ẹ̀yin ni wọ́n máa ń lò fún orin iṣẹ́ ẹ lọ yára yín ní brain ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ Nàìjíríà ẹ yára yín ní brain ẹ bára yín sọ̀rọ̀ níbi tí ẹ bára yín sọ ohun tó ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lọ sùn oorun abiyamọ ẹ sùn oorun tí ọlọ́pọlọ pípé ń sùn wọ́n á kó àdá sí yín lọ́wọ́ má ti fún yín ní 100,000 wọ́n á kó oríṣiríṣi wọ́n á kó bọ́n sí yín lọ́kẹ́ má ṣe jàǹdùkú káàkiri ṣé nìkan tó ń fojú yín rí torí àwọn òrónú ṣé ọmọ Tinubu ẹ wo security tó tẹ̀lé ọmọ Tinubu owó tí ọmọ Tinubu ń receive tó fi ń ṣe fàájì tó fi ń lọ club àwọn ọmọ nìyẹn tó ń jìyà ń bẹ̀ yẹn ọmọ tí wọn ò jìyà o nǹkan táwa torí ń pariwo nìyẹn kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe ọmọ tí wọn o ọmọ tí wọn ò lè tọrọ jẹ o gbogbo nǹkan tó ọmọ wọn á jẹ láyé wọn ti ṣe sílẹ̀ fún wọn wọn ti kó owó àwọn ti jí kó gbogbo nǹkan tó ọmọ wọn á jẹ láyé wọn wọn ti jí owó wa kó wọn ti ṣe sílẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ wọn òun làwa torí máa ń gbóhùn sáfẹ́fẹ́ tá a fẹ́ ń pariwo ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin làwa ní bá sọ̀rọ̀ òun látorí ń sọ ṣe program wa ní èdè tiwa òun látorí ń tú ní àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ la fi ń sọ léde tiwa kẹ́ lè gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká relé o ilé là ń lọ o àgbẹ̀ kan òrókórókó kó gbàgbé ilé ẹ jẹ́ ká relé kò ní jù báyìí lọ ṣókí báyìí ni àwa ń ṣe tiwa torí pé ṣókí báyìí ni ọbẹ̀ oge ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mo kí yín o ọmọ yín náà ni ọ̀rẹ́ yín o olólùfẹ́ yín Àkàlàmàgò TV orí yín ò ní burú o wọn ò ní lọ já yín sí Morocco o